It's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth keyboard to your iPad. So if we go to settings on here, we simply want to go to the Bluetooth options and make sure this is turned on. And it should be searching for devices automatically. You can see it's spinning right here. Go to your Bluetooth keyboard and the first thing you want to do is just turn it around and make sure it's turned on. So we're going to flip this to the on position. I have batteries in here, I'm just going to double check. And now, with it turned on, there should be a light flashing or something like that. So I might be able to see it on the top here. Doesn't look like anything is working, so let's just try to turn this on one more time. There it is. Now on this keyboard, I want to press the FN key and the Bluetooth button on Z at the same time. If I do this, I'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and this light will begin blinking. And it should show up on my iPad now, Anchor A7726. We can just press it. Now on some devices you have to type in a code on your keyboard before it will connect. It says enter 2442, enter. And now it is connected to my iPad and I can go ahead and use this now. So if you're using a keyboard, or if you got one of these keyboards that comes like with a case or something like that, just make sure it's turned on. I think most of these just sync up automatically, or you still have to go to the Bluetooth setting. You just need to make sure it's turned on. And then it's going to be trying to connect to certain devices. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.